Hello guys, my name is Olga Van Light and today I'm actually unboxing BLACK+DECKER electric drill. And yes guys, it actually comes already a little bit pre-charged and this is how it sounds. And the more you press, the faster it actually goes. And yes guys, super excited to figure out exactly how to use it. And there is your user manual, and the battery actually comes with a new look. You also have all of these great attachments, and I would tell you guys, this is my first electric drill slash a screwdriver. So again, super excited to try it on my next project. And yes, today guys, I'm actually going to assemble the table, so it's definitely arrived on time. So again, the variety is great for your screwdriving attachments, right? There are different lengths for your convenience depending on the project that you will be working on. It also comes with these attachments to put your furniture together. You can see it's like squares and rounds. Absolutely excited about these as well, because again, it's going to make so much more convenient to put my furniture together. So super excited about that. And yes guys, so I believe this is your charger that you have to plug in, and this is your battery. I believe you have to press like this and it releases right away. And yes, in order for you to charge it, you just have to basically do this like this. You just slide it in and then you plug it in. And yes, it actually shows you exactly what the light will mean, because you can see it comes with green as well as red. So red meaning it's not fully charged. And yes guys, so let me see exactly how do I have to assemble it for drilling, as well as how do I have to assemble it for screwdriving. And yes, it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. But again, I am looking for some kind of picture diagram, right? So I'm a visual person. I absolutely love to see it. All right, so this looks like it's in Spanish right here. This looks like, all right, this is English. Oh yes, so that tells you about all the components, right? So you can see exactly what everything is. So there is number 1 is a variable speed switcher right here, right, our button. And right now it's not going because I took the battery out. And it also comes with them forward and reverse button, which is right here, forward and reverse, this little button right there. And there is also mode selection color, which is number 3, which is this part. And you can see that it actually comes with numbers, right? So that's super convenient. So in real time, you can actually switch in between the modes just by rotating this nozzle. And it also comes with battery, release button, screwdriver, bead holder, main handle. And yes guys, so again, pretty self-explanatory. And yes, okay, so this is the picture I was looking for, I believe, right? So again, this is your exactly explanation of how to put it on together. And power tool using clear drill and safety warnings. Again guys, yes, you do have to be careful when you are drilling. And also there is a lot of signs that can come up on your display, right? So that's great. And yes, so I believe guys, this is all with pictures. So I would have to, or what is this? Okay, certification. All right, so for example, if I want to use my screwdriver, I believe I would have to put my attachment here, right? And yeah, so for example, this one, right? If I would like to, or let's just say just a regular screwdriver, right? So I would just have to put it in here like this, and I believe I would have to do this. It doesn't look right for some reason. I feel like it, or does it? Does it, guys? All right, so let me put battery back again. All right, I'm going to take the charging out, and I'm going to put the battery in. It just snaps in place like this. Yes, guys. Yes, it does look like it's exactly what you should do. That's it, and you are good.